Hello students, my name is Isha Gupta and I welcome you to English class. So children, I'll be teaching you English. In English we have basically two books. First is the Wordsworth English Reader book. You can see the cover page, and second we have the grammar book. So today I'll start with the first chapter of your English Reader book. And the first chapter is The Clever Jackal. We pronounce it as jackal, not jackal in English. So okay, before you read, have you ever found yourself in a difficult situation? How did you come out of it? Children, we generally face different situations in our life. Sometimes the situation is good, sometimes it is favorable, and sometimes the situation is not favorable. And in this story also, we are going to read about the story of a jackal who was going through a very difficult situation in his life, and we'll find out that how did this jackal, he got out of that difficult situation, how he solved the problems, how he solved that difficult situation and he came out of it. So it is a very interesting story. This story has been adapted from Panchatantra. So I'll start with the chapter. I'll read the paragraph, and after reading it I'll be explaining it too. So let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a cruel and ferocious lion in a deep forest. He killed and ate any animal that came his way. All the animals of the jungle were afraid of him. So once upon a time, there was a cruel and ferocious lion. Ferocious means violent, inhuman. He was बहुत वो ferocious था, बहुत cruel था. जो भी उसके रास्ते में आता था वो सबको खा जाता था. He used to eat any animal that came his way. मतलब came his way means जो भी उसके रास्ते में आता था. All the animals of the jungle were afraid of him. So all the other animals, they were quite scared of him. वो लोग बहुत उससे डरते थे. One day, all the animals decided to hold a meeting in order to solve this problem. So what did all the animals decide? They decided to hold a meeting, to conduct a meeting. वो लोगों ने सोचा कि हम लोग एक meeting conduct करते हैं in order to solve this problem. The wise old owl proposed that each day one animal should go to the lion as his meal. तो उन सारे जो भी animals थे उनमें जो सबसे old था, that was the old owl. He was very wise. He proposed that each day one animal should go to the lion as his meal. Proposed means he suggested, he gave an idea. उन्होंने advise किया कि हर दिन एक animal, that particular animal, he will go to the lion as his meal, ताकि कोई एक animal जाए और वो जो lion है वो सबको ना खाए, सब लोग इस डर में ना रहें कि वो कब lion उनको खा जाएगा. इसलिए कोई एक animal उनमें से उसके पास जाएगा, lion के पास, in order to have his meal. This was not the best solution, but since the animals were tired of living in fear all the time, they reluctantly agreed. Since this was not the solution, definitely ये कोई solution नहीं था, but since they had no other solution और बाकी के animals fear में रहते थे, डर में रहते थे, they were living in fear. वो लोग हमेशा डरे रहते थे कि किस time वो animal आके, वो lion आके उन्हें खा जाएगा. So they all agreed. They agreed reluctantly. Reluctantly means unwillingly. वो ना चाहते हुए भी उन्होंने agree कर दिया कि okay, we'll follow this proposal. They all went to the lion and told him about their proposal. The lion agreed. So they all went to the lion and they told him about their proposal that each day one animal will come to him. And the lion agreed. The lion told that okay, I am okay with this plan. The animals decided among themselves to take turns to go to the lion. The first day a deer was sent to the lion. His wife, the doe, cried all day. So what happened? The animals, they decided among themselves. वो लोगों ने खुद से decide कर लिया कि किस दिन कौन सा animal lion के पास जाएगा. तो first day it was the turn of deer. वो deer का turn था to go to the lion. His wife, the doe, cried all day. Doe is the female deer is called doe, and doe, his wife, she was crying whole day because her husband was sent to the lion and he would never return back. That is why she was very unhappy. She was upset and she cried the whole day. The next day a rabbit was sent. Her little children were very upset and did not eat anything for 3 days. And next day, means the second day, a rabbit was sent. Rabbit को भेजा गया, and the rabbit had 3 children. And all the 3 children, they were really very upset and they were very sad because their mother had gone to the lion for meal and they did not eat anything for 3 days. उन्होंने 3 दिन तक कुछ भी नहीं खाया. A whole month went by in this way. The animals were sad to see their friends and family members leaving one by one, but there seemed no solution in sight. तो इसी तरह से ये चलता रहा. The whole month went by this. पूरा 1 महीना बीत गया. And the animals were very sad. वो लोग बहुत sad थे since their friends and family members, they were leaving one after the other. And there seemed no solution in sight. Means कोई भी इसका solution नहीं दिख रहा था कि क्या solution इसका हो सकता है. How can they save their friends and family members? So everybody was very sad because they were very attached to them. And when the family members and their friends were leaving, it was very heartbreaking for them. One Sunday morning, it was the turn of the jackal. His entire family came to say their final goodbyes. So one day, it was the turn of jackal. And the entire family, uski puri family, they came there to say final goodbye. Means to say bye-bye, means final bye-bye. That because they will not meet again. Like all the other animals, he also did not want to go to the lion, but he left all his friends and family members half-heartedly. बाकी के animals की तरह भी, the jackal, he also did not want to go, but he had to leave. He left his family and friends half-heartedly. Half-heartedly means unwillingly, ना चाहते हुए भी. As he was walking towards the lion's den, he came up with an idea. And when he was walking, while he was walking, he came up with an idea. उसको एक idea आया. He deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. वो intentionally, deliberately मतलब intentionally, जानबूझ के, knowingly, वो बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे चल रहा था और वो बहुत लेट पहुंचा. The lion was hungry and hunger made him angrier than usual. और since वो बहुत धीरे धीरे जा रहा था और lion को बहुत भूख लगी थी और भूख के कारण वो और भी ज़्यादा angry हो गया. Usual से ज़्यादा means हमेशा से ज़्यादा वो angry हो गया. By the time the jackal arrived, the lion was ready to eat him up at once. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late and informed him that he had set off with 2 of his friends as part of the lion's meal. जैसे ही jackal वहाँ पहुँचा, the lion was ready to eat him at once. वो एक बार में उसको खाने के लिए ready हो गया. And then the jackal very respectfully apologized. Apologize means to say sorry. उसने sorry कहा because he came late. और उसने inform किया उसको lion को कि he had set off. Set off means he started his journey. मतलब उसने स्टार्ट किया था अपने 2 फ्रेंड्स के साथ. मतलब वो 2 फ्रेंड्स के साथ आ रहा था in order to have a part of the lion's meal. But however, on their way, they were attacked by another lion who said that he was the king of the jungle. उसने कहा कि वो साथ में अपने 2 दोस्तों के साथ आ रहा था. But on their way, जब वो आ रहे थे, they were attacked by the other lion. वो दूसरे lion ने उन लोगों पर अटैक कर दिया. And वो दूसरा lion था, उसने कहा that he was the king of the jungle. He told that I am the king of jungle. So this story the jackal narrated to the lion. The other lion had then eaten both his friends. It was with great difficulty that he managed to escape. और उसने बताया jackal ने कि जो दूसरा lion था, he had eaten both his friends. वो उसके दोनों friends को वो खा गया. And बहुत ही मुश्किल से with great difficulty he managed to escape. वो बच के उसके पास पहुंचा. The lion was furious on hearing this. और ये सुनने के साथ lion बिल्कुल angry हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा ही. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. And he ordered the jackal, उसने jackal को order किया that take me to that place where the other lion was. The jackal took him to a well. Jackal उसको कहाँ ले गया? He took him to a well, एक well के पास ले गया. The lion saw his reflection in water and thought that it was the other lion. And while he was looking there in the well, he saw his own reflection because water was there, and in water the reflection of lion was seen. And he thought that it is another lion. So he was he was so angry that without thinking he pounced at his own reflection and fell into the well. और बिना कुछ सोचे वो इतना एंग्री हो चुका था कि बिना सोचे वो बिल्कुल तेज़ी से जंप कर गया. कहाँ जंप कर गया? वेल में जंप कर गया. Because he thought that in the water there is another lion, but actually there was no other lion. It was his own reflection in the water. He struggled for some time but finally drowned. उसने बहुत देर तक एफर्ट किया in order to come out, but he could not. All his efforts failed and he drowned. Drowned means he died by suffocating in water. He could not come out. वो डूब गया. The clever jackal's intelligence had saved all the other animals of the forest, and the intelligence of jackal, it saved all the other animals, because every day they had to go to the lion for his meal. They were very thankful to him and lived in the forest peacefully ever after. And everybody, all the animals, they thanked him, and after that they lived in the forest peacefully because nobody was there to disturb them, and they lived very happily. So this story, this is adapted from Panchatantra. And children, Panchatantra is a story. It is an Indian collection of animal stories that have been believed to be written by Sanskrit scholar Vishnu Sharma. So who has written the stories in Panchatantra? Vishnu Sharma, which usually contain a moral. And the stories in Panchatantra, they often contain a moral. उसकी story के end में एक moral होता है, एक सीख होती है. The animals in these stories are usually given certain qualities which help them in different situations. और इनकी जो स्टोरीज़ होती है, इनके स्टोरीज़ में जो भी एनिमल्स होते हैं उनमें कुछ क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, और उन क्वालिटीज़ की वजह से उनको वो क्वालिटीज़ हेल्प करती है डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में सर्वाइव करने के लिए. जैसे कि इस स्टोरी में जैकल का क्लेवरनेस, इंटेलिजेंस हेल्प किया इन ऑर्डर टू सेव द अदर एनिमल्स इन द स्टोरी. So this is all about the story. I hope that the story is clear to everybody. Thank you so much. We'll continue with the exercises and question answers in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.